God and science, a harmonious relationship. For centuries, humanity has sought to understand the mysteries of existence through two powerful lenses, faith and science. While some view these realms as fundamentally opposed, many believe they are deeply intertwined, each offering unique insights into the nature of reality. The relationship between God and science is not one of conflict, but rather of harmony, complementing and enriching each other in profound ways. 1. God as the source of order and laws. Science thrives on discovering the order and laws that govern the universe. From the intricate patterns of DNA to the vast structure of galaxies, the cosmos operates with astonishing precision. Many scientists, both past and present, have viewed this order as evidence of a divine creator. 1. The Bible's perspective. Scriptures like Psalm 19:1 proclaim, "The heavens declare the glory of God, the skies proclaim the work of his hands." 1. This reflects the belief that studying the natural world is a way of understanding God's handiwork. 2. Scientific pioneers and faith. Historically, figures like Isaac Newton, Galileo Galilei, and Johannes Kepler were devout believers who saw their work as uncovering the mechanisms God used to create and sustain the universe. 2. Newton famously said, "The most beautiful system of the sun, planets, and comets could only proceed from the counsel and dominion of an intelligent being." 2. The Big Bang and creation. The Big Bang theory, which describes the universe's beginning as a singularity about 13.8 billion years ago, aligns intriguingly with the biblical idea of a creation moment. While Genesis describes creation poetically, the concept of the universe with a definitive starting point resonates with both theology and cosmology. 1. Faith and science meet. Georges Lemaitre, a Catholic priest and physicist, first proposed the idea of the Big Bang, referring to it as the primeval atom. 1. He believed the theory did not contradict God's role as creator but rather revealed the method God chose to bring the universe into existence. 2. The question of why. Science explains how the universe came to be, but it often leaves the question of why unanswered. 2. Many see God as providing the purpose and intent behind the scientific mechanisms. 3. The fine-tuning of the universe. The universe appears to be fine-tuned for life, with constants and conditions precisely set to allow for existence. From the strength of gravity to the properties of water, slight variations in these parameters could make life impossible. 1. The anthropic principle. This idea suggests that the universe's laws seem tailored to allow for human life, leading many to conclude that this fine-tuning points to an intelligent designer. 2. Faith perspective. The Bible's claim in Isaiah 45:18 that God formed the earth to be inhabited aligns with a sense of purpose suggested by fine-tuning. 4. The intersection of morality and consciousness. Science can describe the workings of the brain, but it struggles to explain the origins of morality, consciousness, and free will. Many view these qualities as reflections of a higher, divine nature. 1. The image of God. The Bible teaches that humans are created in God's image, Genesis 1:27, suggesting that our capacity for love, creativity, and moral reasoning is a reflection of divine qualities. 2. Science and spirituality. Neuroscience and psychology reveal the benefits of prayer, meditation, and belief in God, highlighting the intersection between spiritual practices and mental well-being. 5. Faith and science in modern times. Today, the dialogue between faith and science continues to evolve. Leading scientists like Francis Collins, the former director of the Human Genome Project and a devout Christian, emphasize that faith and science can coexist. Collins described DNA as the language of God, marveling at its complexity and elegance. 1. Science as a tool. Many believers see science as a tool given by God to explore and steward His creation responsibly. 1. Technologies like medicine, environmental conservation, and space exploration can be viewed as fulfilling humanity's God-given mandate to care for the Earth, Genesis 2:15. 2. Mystery and wonder. Both faith and science thrive on mystery. Science seeks to uncover it, while faith embraces it. 2. This shared sense of wonder can unite these fields in a common pursuit of truth. 6. God beyond the gaps. It's important to avoid the God of the gaps approach, where God is invoked to explain what science cannot yet understand. Instead, many theologians and scientists advocate seeing God as the ultimate cause behind all natural processes, including those we do understand. 1. A unified vision. Rather than being a stopgap for unanswered questions, God is seen as the author of both the known and unknown, inspiring awe whether we gaze at a sunset or decode the mysteries of quantum physics. Conclusion. A shared quest for truth. Faith and science, when viewed as complementary, offer a fuller understanding of the universe and humanity's place within it. Science reveals the mechanisms of creation, while faith provides purpose and meaning. Together, they invite us to marvel at the complexity and beauty of existence, pointing to a creator who is both infinite and intimately involved. As Albert Einstein famously said, "Science without religion is lame, religion without science is blind." By embracing both, we can explore the universe with open minds and hearts, seeking not only to understand the how but also the why.